how to create a new verified Coinbase account. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to create a new verified Coinbase account. First, open the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Next, tap on Sign Up. Here, you need to enter your email address and then click on Continue. You will receive a 6-digit code sent to your email. Enter that code on the next screen. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email address again. Tap on Continue. Now tap on Reset Password to create a new password for your account. Check your email for the password reset instructions. Go to your Gmail app. Open the email from Coinbase and tap on Choose a new password. After setting your password, enter your email again and tap on Continue. Finally, to verify your account, enter your phone number and tap on Continue. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.